Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if your Facebook right is being changed with your native language or your regional language. If you want to change to English right or some other language, you can easily do it. For example, in this page, Facebook page, you can see this Ukrainian language. Okay, it might be some other language also, like Spanish or any languages. First, what you need to do is first, I will try to change this to translate to English. Okay, it's Ukrainian English, but I want to change it permanently. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on these other languages here and then choose your language. Example, I want to be the Facebook in English, so I'm going to choose that. That's it, friends. Now it will not change. So this is the way you can change your language in Facebook. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.